You are amazing for stopping by. So today I share with you how to make this delicious spicy gizzard. Keep watching. So guys, this is the gizzard we'll be using for today's recipe. It is turkey gizzard. I so much love turkey gizzard because it is so big and I can cut it to the size that I want. Okay, it is still frozen. When it's defrost, I'll come back and show us how big it is. Okay, so this is the pepper mix I will be using for today's recipe. Okay, I have chili pepper, I have ginger, I have tomatoes, I have yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, garlic, and also onion. So this I'm going to blend off camera. All right, so this is the gizzard, guys. Oh my goodness, I so much love this gizzard. It is so big compared to chicken gizzard. All right, you can see how big it is. It is well cleaned. Okay, so now I'm just going to cut it to my desired size off camera. I don't want this video to be too long. All right, so after cutting it, I put it in my pot just like so. So now I'm going to season it. I had diced onions, seasoning, salt, curry, thyme, and chili pepper. I love chili pepper when cooking my beef or chicken or things like that. Okay, so now I'm just going to add little water to cook it. Okay, just little water, and I don't want this turkey to be too soft, so I'll just cook it for a few minutes, and this is it, guys. Oh my goodness. This turkey gizzard is absolutely delicious. So I tasted for salt. It is so perfect. Okay, so I just picked one and tasted it to see if it is soft to my liking, and it is perfect. All right, so in my pot I put in vegetable oil, allow it to heat up a little, and dip in the boiled gizzard. Okay, now this is one thing that I love doing about gizzard. When I want to make this type of recipe, I don't fry it too dry. No, I don't want it too fried. It's just like putting it in the oil and stir fry for a few minutes, and this is what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness, we don't want this to be too dry. Okay, so in the same oil I'm going to add in my diced onions and stir fry for just a minute or two. And this is it. Okay, so now I'm going to introduce my pepper mix. Okay, now I've mixed together. At this point I'm going to add crayfish powder. Okay, I am not adding seasoning yet or salt, okay, because of the stock. All right, so after that I can decide what to do. I tasted and it is not as spicy to my likeness, so I had in chili pepper, more chili pepper. I want it spicy. Of course, we are in the winter season. Okay, so I had in the stock. All right, so I tasted, I had in curry and thyme. So at this point I check for salt, so I need to add just a little seasoning, and that is it. So I mix it together, cover it to cook for a few minutes. So guys, if you're still watching my video to this point and you are yet to give it a thumbs up, please do give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so this is it, guys. I check. Okay, it is getting thick but not to my likeness, so I cover it again, and at this point, voila, oh my goodness, you can see that it is very thick. Okay, you can see the oil as well. Yeah, so this is the perfect consistency that I want. So now I'm going to add in my fried gizzard. Oh voila, so yummy. So if you're new to my channel, let me say a very big thank you for joining. Kindly hit on the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell. Do remember to give this video a thumbs up, please, and please, it is very important. All right, give this video a thumbs up. So this is it, guys. After a few minutes, okay, the pepper, I've marinated everything, I've marinated together. Okay, so now I'm going to just add some diced onions, and then bell peppers. Okay, so this is it. I had just little of the onion, bell pepper. I don't want this onion and bell pepper to be soft. That is it. I want the crunchiness in it. So after I stir fry it for a minute, okay, and I turn off the gas, our spicy turkey gizzard is ready. This is absolutely delicious, trust me guys. Okay, so I want to say a very big thank you to you all, especially my returning viewers. God bless you. Thank you for staying glued to this channel. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.